I wonder what is he dreaming of. All night we could. Howdy! Scout Vision. What were you dreaming? You were dreaming about me, weren't you? Yes.
I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear. So I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no. Waste.
Та-на-на-на-на, подготовки за скаут ви... Uh-oh. Светли изгледа нема точен фустан, за да биде водителка на Scout Vision. The dreams have been crushed. Pam, pam.